Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to be sharing a summer mixed haul from so many different retailers. I have J.Crew Factory and some others to share with you guys, and there's so many good sales happening right now. I thought it was like perfect timing. I also wanted to let you guys know I made an entire blog post of the best sales happening this weekend. So I compiled all the best sales and I will have it linked below for the blog post so that you guys want to check it out. I share all my favorite retailers that are having a sale and my top picks in case it feels really overwhelming sometimes with all these big sales. I shared my top picks and favorites, so everything will be organized there as well. All right, but let's get into this. I have so many gorgeous new pieces to share with you guys, so let's get started. This dress is just so dreamy. It's beyond. I love it so much for summer. You could wear this a little bit more casual with some flat sandals and like a denim jacket over, or you could totally dress this up for a baby shower, bridal shower, graduation party, any summer activities. This would be so pretty to wear. It's a midi length and it does have a pink lining underneath, which kind of gives it that pink tint to the like soft white overlay, and it's all this beautiful rosette pattern, has all this little tiny dainty bow detail as well as a bow shoulder. This is from my online boutique. We're going to be doing a sale, site-wide sale. There's very few exclusions, so I'll have all the details below for you guys, but this is so pretty. I can't get over it. And then here's the look at the back. I just have a regular strapless bra on. It works totally fine, no sticky covers needed, and it is so gorgeous. I also did want to point out my necklace stack. I love this combo right here. I saw it on the Henry Scott website and I just love how they did it. So I added this little charm kind of beaded necklace here up top, the pearl one, and then the starfish, and then the shell. So cute. You could mix and match, wear one or all, and it's such a nice layered look. Also, my earrings, they're a huggy. They're convertible, so you could take off this charm and just have a plain crystal huggy on like this, or you could put it comes right off like when you unclip it, and then you could wear it with this charm dangling as well. It's so pretty either way. They're a nice huggy earring. They add like a tiny statement to your outfit. It's just nice and classy. All right, we have J.Crew Factory. I'm loving this very first dress. It's such a pretty silhouette, but it comes in a couple other color options. This is the blue stripe and it's just so summery. I love also that when you have it unbuttoned, it really stays open, and you could do like a necklace stack. So I feel like it really is a pretty shape, but you could also, it's fully functioning. So you could just button it however you like. And then it has this cinch waist detail. I love that feature. So it has a little bit of, it has stretch in the back of it, but this is just a fully functioning drawstring, which is nice that you could cinch however you like. And then the length on me, I'm 5'7". This is how it hits on me. So pretty and such a classy, very good capsule wardrobe piece for summer. It is really pretty. And then I have on my white H sandals from Walmart, which have been a go-to, and then my straw toe bag with the pops of white. I just think it looks so classy, very clean looking, and very pretty. Okay, this is such a chic outfit idea. I love this little, kind of looks like a wrap sweater, but it's just like a boxy, oversized little wrap slash cardigan. It's an open crochet, and it is so very effortless, very beachy and summery vibe. I love the edge detail, as you guys could see, that scallop trim on the bottom, so gorgeous. And then I just styled it with this tank I got from J.Crew Factory as well. I feel like it fits really nicely. Some of the tanks I feel like are a little baggy. This one is a more narrow fit, and I think it just looks really nice, and you could mix and match these pieces. You could even wear this even for the office if it's chilly, or just out to dinner. I think it's a nice little thing to have in your wardrobe to just throw on if it's a little chilly. It's really cute. And then I just have on my Abercrombie jeans. And okay, I want to talk about these shoes. I'm torn because they literally look so gorgeous. I can't get over them. But the only thing is they are a little uncomfortable and right under where the knot is, and that's it. So I feel like if I added maybe a little bit of like a little insert like with padding, I feel like then maybe it would be fine, because these are so cute and I'm trying to make them work. I just wanted to point that out. But otherwise they're very comfortable. Everywhere else it's just under that like knot area. And I just added my straw toe. But I would say everything is fitting true to size for all, and so gorgeous for summer. Okay, you guys know I love a navy stripe, especially for summer. This one is so good. It's a really pretty lightweight knit cardigan, or you could like kind of button it up and wear it as like a pullover. I have the first 2 buttons buttoned and it has these really nice, like kind of like lacquered buttons with a navy and gold detail. It's very chic and gorgeous. And I added a pop of red. You could do like rattan or neutrals with this as well. I did my Abercrombie jeans and then the same J.Crew Factory tank underneath as well. And then I just have on my Zara sandals, these sparkly fun ones. And I love the sweater though. You could also just like wear it over the shoulder for certain outfits. I'd say it runs very true to size. I'm wearing my usual extra small and I think it's nice. It's very chic, very like, I've seen a sweater from Celine very similar to this and it's so cute for a look for less. Next, I'm loving this pointelle knit and scallop detail sweater and cardigan, I should say. It is so pretty. I love the scallop detail on the side, just very faint. And this is another good lightweight layering piece for summertime. This would also look cute on top of dresses, a variety of outfits. And I just have the white tank underneath if you just want to wear it kind of like as a pullover like this. I just have it on with some jeans. You could do denim shorts, of course, with this. Would look so nice. I have on these rattan sandals. These kind of remind me of the Steve Madden ones, but these are a lot lighter weight than the Steve Madden, and these are, I feel like, the most comfortable out of all the types I've tried of these kind of sandals. They are a Velcro top and they are so comfy and they just stay on your foot. You don't have to worry about them sliding off or anything because they're secure. So if you have to wear these, I feel like they also have like a little bit more support to them in the footbed, just at least what I think is a little bit more support, but I think they are really chic and cute. And I'm just loving the necklace stack with all these outfits. It's so pretty. I'll have like all the details below. This navy stripe tank is another good classic look. Like it's such a nice shape to it too. So nice. And then I have it paired with these. These feel like linen and they have the little pleats in the front. And so these are a nice, more tailored short, very old money vibes and very just a good summer capsule wardrobe staple. So it has the elastic back and then the front is just a smooth panel. It has a zipper and snap closure and they are very flattering too. And then I just have it styled with my Dior slides and my shot tote, and then loving this hat lately. You guys have, if you've seen my summer accessories must-haves video, this was included in it and I just think it is so gorgeous. It's packable, so it is very good for vacation and just all the summer things. Just it has a really nice amount of shade to your face, which is really nice. Now this dress would be the perfect dress to wear on vacation casually with flats or dressed up with some heels for dinner time. Also just in summer in general for any occasions, I think is perfection. This is like the dreamiest dress I've ever tried on. It has this really pretty soft pink floral detail. It has a little bow here just for show. It's not you know, it doesn't function to do any cinching or anything, but this is a self-tie bow here at the top, so you could customize the straps. I love how the bows are a little bit soft and they're not as pronounced, so that's really cute. And then here's a look at the back. It has an invisible zipper in the back. I'd say it fits very true to size, and on me it's pretty close to a midi. Maybe it's a little bit higher than a normal midi would be on me, but I'm 5'7". It fits really nicely and it's gorgeous. I would just wear this with a flat sandal, and even like you could do a cute jacket over top for like a more dressy casual look, and then you could do a dressy look with some pearl heels like I have here from Target. So cute for like attending graduation party, like anything, graduation, birthday, like Sunday brunch or Sunday best, or even like a bridal or baby shower. This would be so cute to wear. I just want to share this dress really quick, even though it's not really a vacation outfit per se, but I do think it's nice for summer for any special occasion, so I wanted to add it in, and it is too pretty not to share. It is beyond darling. I love the straps and the corset detail, and then the bow is just the dreamiest ever. Here's a look at the back. It has a smock panel. I have a strapless bra on with this. It works perfectly, and then it has like a little slit, but this would be so pretty for so many occasions, like baby shower, bridal shower, little get together. I think it is so beyond gorgeous, or even like family photos. I think this would be so stunning. I am loving the crochet dress trend. It is amazing and so cute for summertime. It just screams summertime to me, and I love this dress in particular because it has these crochet flower little appliques on it. It's so precious. And then it has, the only part that's see-through is this little panel right here under the bust, but the rest is fully lined. It's so adorable for summertime, or like out to dinner, or even vacations. So cute to wear, even over top your swim. And then if you're in between, I would recommend sizing up if you're in between, but otherwise I'd say true to size. And then I have on my Target slides just to pull together that very summery look, and my ruffly chateau, which I think is so worth it. It is so darling, and it goes with so many outfits for summer, which is why I love it. And then for jewelry, I have this little thin pearl beaded necklace. It's adjustable, which is really nice. And then I have my butterfly necklace on, my new shell necklace. It gives like mermaid vibes. This dress is so pretty. It's a midi length. It's strapless, but this one fits perfectly. I do not feel like I need to pull this up in any way. It has this really pretty cinch detail, which kind of gives a sweetheart neckline effect, which is gorgeous. And it has a little tie with a little frill under the bust. This dress does feature pocket detail, and it is lined, so it's not going to be see-through or anything. This would not only be great for a vacation, but I think it's just great for every day in summer. Okay, this top may just be one of my top favorites for this video. It is so pretty. It has this bow detail on the side. I have tank tops and other tops very similar to this, and they've been so popular every single year, so it's really a classic. It has like a rib bodice, but then it has like the puff sleeve detail with the self-tie bows. It is so darling. And this would look so cute with denim shorts. I have it on with my linen shorts from Zimmerman. These are definitely a splurge, but I think so worth it if you're looking to splurge out a good staple wardrobe piece. This would be them. They're so flattering, you guys. Like the flared leg is just the key to a flattering short. And I love them. It has the belt that is included. It just looks so beyond chic and so elevated. And then I just finished off the look with these scalloped heels. This would be great. You could mix and match these pieces so many ways on a vacation, but also just throughout summer. It is so gorgeous. I would even just wear these shorts with like a tank top, and you could look so put together. Also just wear this with denim shorts or skirt. So many ways to style them, which is why I love it. This dress is so pretty. It's even prettier on and in person. It has a really nice self-tie halter detail. And then you guys, the back is so nice that you could self-tie, like I said, in the back, and it has an open back otherwise. This dress is so adorable. It is so dreamy, very garden party vibes. Perfect for any summer events or occasions. This is so beyond gorgeous. So it's a strapless dress, and it has this really pretty lavender and soft green floral print, and it just is so dreamy. It has a tie here. I think on the website they tied it in the back, so you could certainly do that. I just liked it in the front because of course I just love a bow moment, but you could do it either way. This flag sweater is such a vibe. I love it so much. It's so comfy, and I've been trying to find the perfect American flag sweater because these are just so classy and pretty. This one is 100% cotton. It's so hard to find the perfect one, and this one really is the perfect one. I love it so much. It comes in navy, and then I'm going to show you guys the white, but it's like this navy is like a vintage wash navy. It's so cozy and comfy, but it's a lightweight knit, so perfect for the summertime, like an evening dinner barbecue, and it's chilly in the evening. This is nice to throw on even like 4th of July. Just think of like the vibe, like seeing the fireworks and everything. This would be so cute to wear, or just for any really summer barbecue. This, I'd say, I'm wearing the extra small / small. I'd say if it's pretty true to size for me. I do want to add, you could totally, if you're like more petite, you could also cuff the bottom. If the sleeves are a little bit long on you, that looks really cute. You could just like bunch them up and give that very undone look too. And then this is what the white looks like. I think the white is like the ultimate classic, but it's so hard to pick one favorite. I truly just love both of them so much. They're really, really pretty. This is also same fabric again, 100% cotton. Love that. Same slouchy fit. They're just different colors. And then for the outfit details, I did blue denim shorts, and then I added my brown sandals again. This just looks like Ralph Lauren, you guys, like Ralph Lauren vibes, but for a fraction of the price, and I love it. And then I did a little pop of red with my bag, but what do you guys think? Do we like the vintage navy, or do we like the white better? Vote below which one you guys would pick. because it's so hard for me to pick just one favorite. That is it for my summer try-on haul. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know your favorites below. And I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.